Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a gift card for Priceline. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few ways to do this and a few important things to take note. So to redeem a Priceline gift card both online and in store, with online bookings, you got to do this via customer support. So when you get to the checkout page of your order, there's no spot to put in the gift card. So Priceline does not allow you to redeem gift cards directly on the website. So what you can do is contact the Priceline customer support or their online chat to speak with an agent, and then you want to share the gift card number and PIN if applicable to that agent and the booking process. So the customer service agent will help you apply the gift card to your booking. If there is any remaining balance after applying the gift card, you can pay the difference with another payment method such as a credit card. Number two, you can go in store for redemption. So Priceline gift cards can also be used in store at Priceline retail locations, such as their travel agencies or partner locations. So what you need to do is visit a Priceline store or a partner retail location, such as Priceline travel agency, specific retail stores that accept Priceline gift cards, and then you need to present the gift card. So give the gift card to the cashier or agent who will process it is as part of your normal payment. The gift card balance will be applied to your purchase or booking. If the total exceeds the gift card value, you can pay the remaining amount with another payment method. And there's some important notes here as well. So there's no direct redemption or on Priceline website. So Priceline's website does not have an option to directly redeeming a gift card during online booking. So you need to contact customer service for assistance and the gift card terms. So make sure to review the terms and conditions of your gift card, as there may be restrictions or expiration dates.